How to restore photos from iCloud to iPhone. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to restore photos from iCloud to iPhone. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So this video is a step-by-step video, so don't skip any steps because I will guide you on all of this that you need to take in order to achieve your goal. So without further ado, let's go. So the first step that you need to take is to head over to your settings right here. And now once you have done that, just click on your Apple ID right here. You can just see it once you have clicked settings. Just click on it. And then from in there you can see this iCloud option. So click on iCloud. And from in there you can see the storage that you have left, and also you can see these photos. So click on photos right here and make sure that this iCloud photos is turned on. That means that you have actually backed up photos from iCloud. So I have here a sample. So if this is already synced, you can see your managed storage in iCloud and status. So there's 127 photos in iCloud and the status are synced. So what you can do is you can optimize your iPhone storage, wherein you can actually just delete all the photos that you have and upload them all to iCloud. You can also click this download and keep original, wherein you can upload your photos and you can also keep the originals. So just choose this option right here and you should be able to restore your photos from iCloud to iPhone. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to restore photos from iCloud to iPhone. If you have questions or comments, kindly put them in the comment section below and we'll try our best to answer them. So just follow and subscribe. Thanks.